Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add fade to black effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to your effects and then go to video transitions and locate your dip to color dissolve. So from there, all you have to do is actually go to the clip that you want to place that dissolve transition right here, the fade to black effect. So just drag it all over here to the very right. So there you'll have it right here. So as you can see, once you have placed it right there, it will fade. So there you go. So you can go ahead and go there and go to inspector, and then you'll go to transitions. You can select your color right here into black and press OK to confirm that it's black, and you'll have that transition. So it's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.